Okay, Robert, turn on the machine. I know it. Okay, turn it on. Okay, what is okay? Another Ruski Shiksa. Oi, hey, I watched the video. You say you're gonna feature it, you're gonna get it featured, you're gonna do something, I don't know. But, oi, hey, you juggle. Throw the balls in the air. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, my God, talent you got. I'm impressed. So, you say all it needs is a speed up video. So, Robert,
Speed up the video and we get featured. So, make it speed up, go fast, fast going, oi, oi, oi. Fast going video. It's, I don't know what's going on. He's doing it. I don't know what to do. I'm just supposed to talk. Robert, get the squirt gun. You're supposed to get a squirt gun and then you get a feature. That's what the juggling Shisha says. You go fast, you talk fast, you get a squirt gun, and you get a feature. She promised. So, do it, okay?
That's all I know. That's what he said to do. That's what I do. Okay, go away.